Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Ecovacs Deebot setup with Ecovacs app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your Ecovacs Deebot setup with the Ecovacs app, begin by ensuring that your Deebot is fully charged. Plug in the charging station and place your Deebot on it to charge. Download the Ecovacs app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once the installation is complete. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, tap on the option to add a new device. Select your Deebot model from the list provided. Ensure that your Deebot is powered on. Press and hold the home button on the Deebot for about 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt indicating it is in Wi-Fi mode. Connect your smartphone to your home Wi-Fi network. Note that the network should be 2.4 GHz, as the Deebot does not support 5 GHz networks. Return to the Ecovacs app and follow the prompts to connect to your Deebot. The app will search for your device and notify you when it is found. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation on the app. Test your connection by sending a command to your Deebot using the app. If it responds as expected, your setup is successfully verified. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the app features to utilize your Deebot effectively. You are now ready to enjoy the convenience of your Ecovacs Deebot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.